welcome to my vlog again. It's Dubai up to date, and you will be seeing today we're traveling through the Dubai Tram. So how the Dubai Tram looks and how is this? This is landmark building, Dubai Marina. बीच सड़क में हारे करके This is the pedestrian cross next to Dubai Tram. So it's green signal and we are crossing. As you seen, this is the station for the Dubai Trams. This is Marina Towers station. So this is the way. When you want to go to the trams, you have to go from this station inside. Once you are inside already, you have to tap your card over here to get into the trams. So once you are in, you already seen that the new trip to stand with the queue. Once the trams will arrive, automatically this door are going to be open and you can enter the trams. In case the people didn't check in or check out, not validator of the card, they will be getting the fine after 200. Also, you can get the free Wi-Fi access in the Dubai trams. You have to go to the Wi-Fi page, then you can go to the Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi from the door. So just tap it. After that, you will be going through the next login page. So you have to enter the mobile number here and then check input in the select free Wi-Fi green. So this is the way the tram will arrive, and automatically once it will arrive, the door will be going to open. So we are about to reach to the next station now. So next station is Dubai Marina. After the taking off from the Dubai Tram, we have to sign out here. Again, the tapping the cards, so it is easy to sign out. So after the trams, we are going to the metro now. This is the metro link, so we can be in the metro. And here we can have a look. This is the trams way. These are the trams way. They are coming from here, and the other side is the tram. Next tram is already coming also. So you can see the next tram already finished over here. So if there's a tram, this you can see the bell. Bell is automatically ringing over here. And once the trams is there, people are going inside. They will tag their card and they will be inside the trams. Now tram is moving. So if the tram is moving, again you will see the bell and it is moving now. So now we are going to the metro. So this is the escalator. We are going to the metro, and this is the view around this metro Dubai Damak properties. So this area are the Dubai Marina areas. So going to the metro, we have this escalator also. While you are tired of walking, you can just stand and then move from here. This is the area. You can see the 100 maximum they have mentioned, and they have filed like this one as a red carpet. You can have see this one. So this is how the Dubai maintaining, and they are just making to memorize for the drivers who can easily know that it's the maximum speed is 100 over there, and the lane also you can see it clearly. Okay, people are following lanes systems. So this is the way how the Dubai maintaining traffic rules and regulation. You can easily identify people, even they already forgot the traffic rules. They can easily know by while driving in the road. They can see it's like a red carpet, but it's not a red carpet. They have made it to memorize that it's hundreds roads. So don't exceed the speed limit and don't get the fine.
Roller skating, skateboarding.
This is the view from Dubai Marina I'm showing. Now again we reached over here. Again we are going to inside the metro, so we have to tag the car and so the gate will be open. So next we have to ride in the different way, not in the UX. So we'll be going to the Rashidia.
Closing. الأبواب تغلق. أبواب تفتح. Two trains. إلى القطار.
So we already reached the platform for the Dubai Metro. There will be the time period showing. Now it's almost about.
Doors closing. المحطة القادمة هي المحطة القادمة هي مدينة دبي للإنترنت شرف BG. The next station is Sharaf DG. القادمة هي شرف DG. The next station, the next station is Marina.
finally it was Thursday, and that's kind of the Friday today. Enjoy कर रहे हैं, काम काम कर रहे हैं, सब हो रहा है, अपने पैसे बचा रहे हैं. Yesterday, night rides, learning man, yeah. No, learning man, ठीक है. चलो होते हैं काम करते हैं. Training भी ठीक है. मैं भी मुझे बोले हम ऑफ कर रहे हैं, physical activity. Study क्यों मैं इतने family में spend करता हूँ. Friday morning में गए और दिन में शॉप में गए, सदा वाइफ को मिल जाती है. नहीं नहीं अच्छा चीज़ है. इन राइड में भी उतना देख जो क्लाइंट है वो बंद गया वो कैसे जाते रहोगे तो आपको नया क्लाइंट पे पहन के आना पड़ा दिखाने के लिए. बंदा वो मेन उनकी गर्मी है ना.
المحطة القادمة هي الخليج التجاري. The next station is
This is Burj Khalifa, Burj Khalifa.